Hello again. In this video we will use this data frame, and first we will concat a series as rows, and the second and last thing is concat a series as columns like this. So let's do the code. As always, we are importing pandas here. This is the path for the files. Here we are loading the CSV file people v2 into a data frame. After this we are printing the data frame itself. And here we have the series that we want to concat to our data frame. Okay, let's do the code here. So we just need to assign to the data frame the result of pd.concat, and we pass a list with our data frame and also the row. Okay, let's run this, and we got this result. Okay, this is not what we expected. Our series is not like a row, so let's try to do other thing. Instead of trying to concat a series, let's try to concat a data frame. Okay, let's convert the row into a data frame. So row is equals to row dot to underscore frame. This converts the series into a data frame. Okay, let's print here the row just for us to see the result. Let's run, and we got this result. The series now is a data frame. Well, but this data frame as a column, okay, and we want this as a row. So to do that, we go here and we say dot t for transpose. Okay, so we will get the transpose of this data frame. If we run this, now we got our data frame as a row, just a row. Now that the row is a data frame, let's try to concat again. Okay, so let's copy this line, paste here, and let me remove this and see what happens. Now we got this result, okay, where we have here our second data frame. This doesn't match because the names of the columns of this new data frame are 0 and 1. So let's rename the names of these columns. We go here and let's make room for the new code, and we say row is equals to row dot rename, and what we want to rename the columns, and we pass a dictionary with the old names and the new names. So the old name is 0 and new name is name, and the second column the old name is 1 and the new name is age. Let's run this again, and now we got this result. Okay, we just need to ignore the index, so it will be a continuous index. Okay, we go here and ignore underscore index is equals to true. Let's run this again, and we get our result with the indexes okay and with the values in the right place. We did the concat as a row. Now let's do as a column. Okay, we go here, and here is our new series that we want to concat as a column, and let's do the code here. So we say data frame is equals to pd for pandas dot concat. We provide the list with the data frame and also the call, the series, and now we need to specify the axis is equals to 1. 1 is for columns. Okay, 0 is rows, the default one is columns. Let's uncomment this, the print, and let's run. Now we got these results. Our series is concatenated as a column, and as you can see, the name of the column is 0. Let's rename this column. Okay, instead of going here to the data frame and rename in the data frame, we can do in another way, that is going in the series and provide a name for the series. So we provide a new parameter that is the name, that is equals to, in this case, is the score because the column is the score. So we run this again, and now we got our final result where we have here the score and the column score. Let's review. To add a row, we tried this pd.concat and we passed the data frame and also the row, the series, but this didn't work as we expected. To solve the problem, we converted the series into a data frame and then we transposed that data frame. Also, we gave the columns names, and then we could use the pd.concat like always. We got this result, and if you don't remember what is a transpose, is just this, okay? To add as columns, we just needed to specify the parameter axis equals 1. 1 is columns, okay? 0 is rows, 1 is columns. Also, we gave the name score to the series, so at the end we got this result where the new column have the name score. This is the end. As always, you can download the source code, and please give a like to this video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.